Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. Today I'm bringing you a design team project I've done for SS Digital Studios. It's the Masculine Grungy Journal. The kits I used was the Masculine Scrapbook Papers. There was 4 pages in that kit. And also the Masculine Journal Kit, which had 22 pages in it. Measures 9 by 6. It's got a 3-inch spine. I've covered it in brown fabric. This is a picture out of a book that I have, an older book, and then I made a frame and covered that with the book page also, and add a little burlap down here. For the closure, I've got a Tim Holtz clasp, and I've got a little key dangle on there. And let's open her up. Okay. Also in here, there's 6 signatures and 144 pages, front and back. So when we open it up, we got the first page. Got just a little policy envelope here. And what are we doing? There we go. And that opens up. It's just book page inside, paper and a pencil. And our first signature, I've done tabs on the signatures, just a piece of card with burlap tucked inside. I've got, these are stickers that I made. I took some images off of oh gosh, I can't even think now where I did get them from, but they're copyright free, and so I've got these scattered out throughout. This is a belly band, and this I saw in a video by that Emily did by Junk Journal Inspirations, and I thought that was kind of a cool idea, so I did that. And I've got one of the journal cards from the kit. All the designer pages in here are all from the kit. So got some beautiful, beautiful images. There's another sticker up there. This is just a little simple pocket. Got a tag inside. As you can see, it's made with book pages. And I've got a small tag and a larger tag. And they're all backed and sewn. Just did a little collage on here. I've got in each signature a hidden paper clip. So, and this is on Tim Holtz paper. So, come on, get on there. There we go. Just a little collage pocket here. This is a leftover from a tag that I cut out. And I've got this design here. This is not part of the kit, but I can't remember where it came from. So, got another little sticker down here. Got an envelope here. Came with the kit. Beware of the wife. And then inside I just have some folded coffee dye paper. Hands are not cooperating today. Just made some little die cuts and put some numbers on them for that. This is a die cut also, and another tag from the kit. I've got little pieces of ephemera throughout. This is not from the kit. And we got our second signature here. Got a sticker. Got a belly band here with a Tim Holtz guy on it. I got some corrugated card underneath. I just hit with a little bit of green. This is a blueprint, and this came out of a blueprint textbook. And so I backed it on some card with lines on it. Here I've got a pocket. This pocket I found, and there's a few more things also. Redeemable junk. I found this YouTube channel, and she also has a Facebook group, and I've got a few of her things in here I thought were really neat ideas. This is just like a hidden pocket deal here. Just open it up. I got little bits of collage here and there, maybe with music paper. In the back I've got a journaling card, and this just tucks underneath this little bit right there. Got a corner tuck spot here. This was a pocket I saw on Cori Dahmen's YouTube channel, and it's just a little folded pocket, and I put a little tag in there. Put some brads on the side. I thought that looked kind of cool. Got a tag here with a couple gentlemen on the little hanging down and a tag here. Another paper clip. Got a corner tuck here, and another, whoops, another one of the blueprint pages here. Just little odds and ends. Another one of those die cut. And number 3 is a sticker. This is I did this off the idea from Emily with the string, so I thought this would be kind of neat. Look like it was holding down this end where it's tacked up there. And just a little journaling card behind there. Another paper clip. Got just a 3-layer book page pocket here. Got a pocket here and a pocket down here. Oops, want that one up there, and that one can go there. Just a little bit of collage on here with some of my jelly print paper here. Another sticker, another sticker. Got a corner tuck pocket over here. Just did a little collage on there. Got 2 tags in that pocket. Got another envelope here. Also has coffee dye paper inside. And that just clips on right there. I got a little tuck spot up here. This was from the kit, and this was also from the kit. So got that just tucked up right there. Number 4. Got a little sticker here. Got a side tuck over here with a journaling card. This is Tim Holtz paper. This is from the kit. But I just added brads on there to make it look like that's how it was hooked on. I thought that turned out kind of nice. Got a pocket over here with a large journaling card. Used a Tim Holtz guy. This right here is just drywall tape. It's stuck on there really well, and I'm really pleased with the way that turned out. So did a little stamping also. Got a little snippet thing up there. This is the pocket also from Redeemable Junk, a zipper pocket. It's got a large tag inside, and I made it look like he was coming out from behind the zipper there. Let's see what we're up to. This is a little belly band from the kit, and a journaling card there. Got a little collage pocket here. This was also left from a tag that I cut out on my die machine. Tim Holtz guy, tag here, tag here. Got a paper clip up there. Got another blueprint in here. And this is just a corner tuck I made. I put some brads on it and wrapped some waxed linen around it. And then just the little bits of collage pieces there. Got number 5. Got a lighthouse sticker over here. A camera sticker here. Got a belly band over here. This is a page from the book where this gentleman came from. And when I folded it, it cracked, so I just put some faux aged Scotch tape on there. This is Great English Poets here. Oops, I want that sideways there. Another pocket from Redeemable Junk. I really like this too. Got a little Tim Holtz guy and a leftover tag cut out here. A little bit of collage. Got a sticker of binoculars up there. Got a journaling card in the back and some paper inside. Just have a tag here with a sticker, a little bit of cheesecloth, a little bit of book page, and I got 2 tags there. This is Tim Holtz, and this one is from the kit. Got another paper clip over here. This is some of my Eco Dye paper I did. Got a little corner tuck here. Got 2 tags in there, a stamp and some book page. And this is out of a old book as well. Got a sticker there, little snippet down there, another one of those die cuts, and 6 signature. Got a camera sticker here. Got another Tim Holtz gentleman on a belly band there, and a journaling card. This is a waterfall pocket, also from Redeemable Junk. I told you I found her and I like, oh my goodness, look at all this cool stuff. So it's made with 2 envelopes, and each one has a tag, and got that. Cold beer here, a little bit of collage, and one of the journaling cards from the kit. And I just got a little postcard there for tab. Another paper clip. Come on. Of course, from the kit. This is these are just like wiped with tea bags that I dipped in coffee actually. And these are, I just swiped it on these pages, and then this page I dabbed and made it look like that. Just got a little label thing over there. This is, I found these in an antique store, and it's for tobacco actually, from Detroit. And I've got a card from the kit and 2 tags from the kit in there. This was just a paper, one of the papers, and I cut it down to make a large card. Just put a piece of scrapbook paper there. Another sticker. Got a collage pocket here. This is just scrapbook paper. Another blueprint and another tag with the gentleman on there. I'll just keep him tucked in there so he don't go wobbling all over the place. Last page, this is cut out obviously from some numbers that I die cut. Just stuck that down there on the corner. And then here we are at the back with my library card. I finished it on the 30th of May, yesterday. And yep, this is just scrapbook paper that I did the inside with. I did a hidden spine, and it's pretty, he's not too alligatory yet. It's pretty good, but there's room for more for sure. So guys, I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're all enjoying the long weekend. I know we are. Was really cold earlier this week, and it's starting to warm up a little bit now. I think it's supposed to be in the 70s today, so that'll be nice. And yeah, so I just hope everybody's doing well. I hope you enjoyed taking a look, and thank you for stopping by and taking a look. I really do appreciate all your comments and your likes, thumbs ups, and just really means a lot. So I do so much appreciate it. So yeah, I'll see what I get into next, and I hope you join me next time too. Okay guys, thanks. Have a great day. Bye.